Hey, welcome again. Today we are presenting the design, like bottle design company. In this company, it's all about bottles. When I say bottles, I mean all your favorite cosmetic bottles that you need for the special people who want to customize their products. If you can see, for example, take a look at something like this. I'm gonna give you an example of this set. Here you can have your night cream, your day cream, your serum, your body lotion, your whatever, I don't know, the different names you have when it comes to doing your body lotions. So here, for example, can you see these bottles? This is set for like 6 bottles. Can you imagine the cost of it? You can have this for as little as $7. For like this 6 bottle set you have here, you can have it as little as $7. And we're gonna take this, send it to your cream factory, and they're gonna fill up your creams. And you know how it goes. Imagine you fill up your creams here, you're finding yourself somewhere around $20-30. Imagine selling a set like this in America, in Europe, in Africa. Come on, you can imagine the rest. So let me take you like a vast view of different bottles design, and you can actually pick up what you want, what you like. They have like different samples. It's up to you to figure out what you actually need for the big girls. We fancy ladies, we love beautiful bottles. You want to have them in beautiful bottles. Trust me, if you want to make your price go up, make your design special, you want to go up and give people high quality.